Hey, what's up you guys? Richard here with another video. All right, so what this video is about, it's gonna be about what's in this box right here. I did a video like this once, sometime last year. So what's inside this box? This box right here is full of refurbished Samsung screens. Now, some of you guys are gonna find this video very interesting. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna open up this box and I'm gonna show you guys refurbished screens, and I'm gonna share with you guys the updated prices. So some of you guys know that I don't refurbish the screens myself anymore. I haven't been doing this since sometime last year. The reason why, it just takes forever. But how long does it really take to refurbish a Samsung screen? For example, how long does it take to refurbish an S10 screen? An hour? An hour and a half to refurbish a screen? You know how long it takes me? 0, because I don't do it myself. I don't want to do everything myself. And currently right now, I don't want an employee of mine to be doing the refurbishing either, because the skills that I have aren't necessarily easy for somebody else to learn. Let me try to explain skills in another way. Who out there knows how to play an instrument? I know how to play guitar. I haven't been playing it lately, but there's some people that all they know how to do is just play simple bar chords. Some people know how to solo. Some people know how to solo just a little bit. You see some people on YouTube that know how to play like Slash and Van Halen and stuff like that, right? And then there's people that try to learn and they just never get it at all, right? They can't even play bar chords. Their fingers can't even move, you know, right? So it's the same thing with refurbishing. Some people are gonna get it, some people are not. Some people are they're gonna catch on to it, and some people are gonna suck at it. So what happens if you suck at refurbishing? You're gonna spend a lot of money trying to learn how to do it. And some people they're gonna get fed up and they're just gonna quit, right? It's just, refurbishing is not for everybody. Another reason why I stopped refurbishing is because I got tired of being in the store. For some of you guys that watch or follow my Instagram channel, you guys know that I used to be in the store 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock at night, refurbishing. Now, I'm not in here at all. If it's after hours, I'm not in here. I go home. I used to refurbish screens on a one-on-one basis. So for example, somebody would come in and they needed like a Galaxy S8 refurbished. I would tell them to come back in a couple of hours. I would refurbish the phone and I had to run the store as well. That means answering phone calls, helping customers that came in, having customers come in, dropping off, paying, having to start and go, right? So what about if you get an employee? Now you have to teach an employee to do this. And like I said before, it's not easy teaching somebody else. There's people that'll learn, that'll catch on way better than others. And what if that person is you? What if you're a newbie in this business and you might not even catch on like somebody like me or somebody like how you guys are seeing on other people's channels, but you do want to be in the phone repair business because you know it makes money, right? All right, so let's just open up this box right here, and as I pull them out, I'm gonna tell you guys exactly how much it costs me to pay a refurbishing company to refurbish these screens for me. All right, so what we got here is the packing list of what's inside the box, which of course I already know this. Well, this is how they pack it in. A foam box right there. the inside looks like. Still packaged. Still packaged. All right, here we go. These are all refurbished screens right here. Let's start with this. Galaxy S9. S9 Plus. Let's open the box. All right, so here's the Galaxy S9 Plus, fully refurbished. As you can see, perfectly done, right? You can see on the inside, this is a refurbished screen. Guess how much it cost me to have someone else do this for me? An expert, a refurbishing company are experts at doing this. Galaxy S9 Plus, $25. Let me repeat that again, $25. Some of you guys that do have stores or shops or are in the phone repair business, you guys know that there are other refurbishing companies, but compare the price to this. Once again, S9 Plus, $25. All right? Let's get a newer model. These are all Note 9s. Samsung Note 9s, you guys. Samsung Note 9 right here. Here, this thing, I don't want this thing to fall off right here. There, so you can see in the glare. Perfectly done by experts. You know how much it costs me to send this off, to have someone else refurbish it for me? Samsung Note 9, 30 bucks. 30 bucks. And the $30 includes everything. It includes the glass, the labor, the work, everything. Do you know how much other refurbishing companies charge here in the United States? Guess how much? Take a guess. 80 bucks, right? Some of you guys know this. All right, hear me out. How much do you think just the glass, if you're gonna do this yourself, how much do you think this piece of glass costs that's on here? Samsung Note 9. I'm guessing $12, right? How much do you think, now how much are you paying an employee to do this if they were refurbishing? How much do you pay employees per hour that are in the cell phone repair? It depends what part of the United States you're in, right? $15 an hour? $17, $19 an hour? Now put the piece of how much it costs for the piece of glass and how much you're paying an employee, plus the couple $1,000s in machines that you need in order to do this in-house. It actually costs more to do this in-house here than it actually does using the refurbishing company that I use. Think about that. Let's just get into some other prices. Let me find the Galaxy S8s. Screw it. Galaxy S10s. You know how much it charges? You know how much it costs for a Galaxy S10 to have somebody else do it for you? Hear me out. 28 bucks. What do you guys think about that? A refurbishing company that charges $28 to refurbish a Galaxy S10 screen. I've seen companies online in Facebook groups and all that they'll charge like $80, $90 to refurbish a Galaxy S10 screen. 28 bucks. How about the new phones? How about a Galaxy S20 Plus? Because I have one in here. Here we go. Samsung Note 10 Plus. How much do you guys think? Samsung Note 10 Plus, $36. Let's pull this out. I want you guys to look at this. Here we go. Here's a Samsung Note 10 Plus. Perfectly done. You can see the inside of the screen right here. Here's the inside. Samsung Note 10 Plus, $36. $36. You know how much I'm charging in my store right now? Now I might drop the price just a little bit, but you know how up to this date, which is, I believe, I'm not positive, I believe today's April the 16th, 2021. If somebody comes into my shop that needs the glass only repaired on their Samsung Note 10 Plus, I'm charging $200. And some of you guys may think, since you heard how much the price it is, that I'm actually getting these refurbished for, oh, well, that's freaking a lot. You know what? In San Diego, which is what, the 8th biggest city, I'm the cheapest price in freaking San Diego. $200 compared to other shops around here is a freaking bargain. You know how much cell phone repair businesses are charging to do a screen repair on a Samsung Note 10? $375, $400, and I'm saying $200. So you do $200 minus the $36, that's a nice profit. Let's just go right down the list. If you had a Galaxy S8 or an S8 Plus, this is how much it costs to refurbish an S8 or an S8 Plus. $19. Just once again, just think about the price of just the glass alone. How much does it cost just to buy a glass, right? For a Galaxy S8 Plus? 10 bucks. How much does it cost to pay an employee in your store? $15 an hour? 18 bucks an hour? Once again, it costs more to do it in-house than it costs the refurbishing company that I use. You can actually get more work done at a faster rate and get the phones fixed back to your customers in a quicker time. How good do you think that sales pitch would be if somebody came in with a cracked glass Note 10 screen and you said, you know what, ma'am, I can do that for, everybody out there is charging $350, but you know what? I can do it for $150. And your phone will be fixed in 1 hour. How's that sales pitch for you? You think they're gonna look anywhere else? Because people call around. They don't just call you. They call around and they'll hear like a $175 price. They'll come to you, right? We're not a difference of $5 or $10 or $15. When you're undercutting the competition by $125, $150, that's gonna open up some eyes. Let's keep this going. Galaxy S9 or an S9 Plus, $25. A Galaxy S10 or an S10 Plus, $28. A Galaxy S20, $39. I've seen people that charge over $100 in Facebook groups just to refurbish these screens, right? Okay, S20, $39, S20 Plus, $41. Samsung Note 8, $22. Samsung Note 9, $30. Samsung Note 10 Plus, $36. Now let me show you how this system works and how I do things right in the store. All right, so here we have a Galaxy S9. Now this phone we're going to use for example. It can be an S10, an S20, any of the Note phones, right? So the customer comes in with their cracked glass only screen, right? Display screen is still good. Now here's the S9 screen. Now as you see, this phone is the color purple, right? So what I do is I grab a screen like this, and then I get the matching color frame, which you can buy these on average about $10 a piece, depending on the model, right? So I grab my purple color one, just like this, so it can match their phone. I install this just like this right in here. So now we have one with the matching frame, so it can match the color of their phone. I then, either me or an employee of mine, takes off the back cover off of here, takes the insides of the phone, and just transfers it right here into this new shell. Close up the entire phone, take the back cover, obviously the back cover would be off of here, put it back onto here, seal up the phone, and then you're good to go to give it back to the customer. Then what you do is you have the working screen like this that's in the frame, right? The good working screen, and you just take it and you put it away in a box. The next person comes. Maybe the next person has an S8. Maybe the next person has a Galaxy S20 Ultra or a Samsung Note 10 Plus. You do the same thing over and over and over again. And that's the process how I do in this store. This is the easiest, simplest way I figured out how to do this whole process. This is the easiest way you can train an employee how to do this. It's also the quickest and most time efficient way how I figured out how to do glass only repair and outsource the work. The only drawback in this way to do things is you have to be patient. You're going to make your money in the long run when you get your screens back from the refurbishing company. Now, how long is that going to take? It all depends on how many you can stack up and when you send them off. So if any of you guys have any questions about the refurbishing company or any other questions, write them in the comments below or DM me on Instagram. I'll have my Instagram in the description under the video. I'll also recap all the prices for all the refurbishing. All right, everyone. So if this video has given you a better understanding and a clear picture on how you can improve your business, especially if you're a new person in this and you want to cut out the competition or make a name for yourself, give this video a like. I really appreciate that. And with that, everybody, I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.